Welcome back, Office Executives. In this particular Excel video, I'll be showing you a short trick in which whatever data is present in your Excel sheet it would stay hidden. So here are here some data is being shown. You have to select the whole of the sheet and then right click and then click on Format Cell, and from the number tab go to the custom section and remove the general and type semicolon semicolon semicolon, three semicolons, and hit OK. Now the data is hidden. So whenever we are clicking on a cell, the value is being shown in the formula bar, yet the data is not being shown in the Excel sheet. So if I just type a new data bug and hit enter, so the word bug is being shown in the formula bar, however it is not being shown in here. So how to remove this particular formatting, I mean this particular bug or this particular hidden tree? You can select the whole of the sheet and then go to format cell, and from the custom where you had typed three semicolon, you can remove that and type general, or you can use the keyboard shortcut control tilde operator. So if I open I mean on screen keyboard, so this is the tilde operator. This curvy line, it is the tilde operator. So you have to type control while pressing and holding down control. You have to type this tilde operator to remove the formatting. So let me again apply the formatting. Right click, format cell. You have to go to custom and this type this one and then hit OK. Okay. So select the whole of the sheet. Right click, format cell, and then go to custom. Okay, so if I hit control tilde, the let me type here tilde 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 and hit OK. Again if I type control tilde, the data is hidden. To show the data, you can also go to format cell, and in the custom section, instead of this three semicolon, remove it and hit OK. Voila, the data is being shown again. So that's a short trick in Excel, that how you can hide your data. The data will be shown in the formula bar, however in the Excel sheet the data won't be revealed. That's all for this particular video. See you again for some other video.